So, acids. The general properties of acids is that they taste sour, they dissolve many metals, they will turn blue litmus red. Litmus is a substance that changes color, whether it's in acid or base. It's blue in a base and it's red in an acid. And acids can neutralize bases. And these are things that you should have heard of before. This is a table of some common acids, just kind of for your information. It shows some common acids and where they are used. Like carbonic acid here, that's what's used to carbonate beverages. You get that because carbon dioxide reacting with water. So I'm not going to test you on any of those, it's just kind of interesting. Bases, their general properties is they have a bitter taste. Of course, taste is not how we're going to identify acids and bases in the chemistry lab. They have a slippery feel. If you've ever gotten some sodium hydroxide on your fingers, you notice that your hands feel almost soapy, right? It's because the sodium hydroxide bases actually begin to make soap with the oils from your skin. And so that's a signal that, hey, you should go wash your hands. Because if you leave the base on there, eventually it will start dissolving your skin. And that's not a good situation. Bases do the opposite with litmus. They turn red litmus blue. And bases neutralize acids. The list of common bases here is much smaller. And most of these things are things that you would not want to be ingesting. You know, sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, these are used in manufacturing of various things. Sodium bicarbonate is baking soda. That's used as an antacid. Sodium carbonate, which sounds a lot like sodium bicarbonate, is used as a water softener. Ammonia is a base, used as a detergent and a fertilizer. So which of these properties is not associated with an acid? C? Whoops. Yeah. Acids do not have a bitter taste. Acids taste sour.